Welcome to the CircleDNA at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product and additional details are provided in the description below. CircleDNA is one of the most advanced at-home DNA test kits available, offering an extensive array of reports spanning health, lifestyle, and ancestry. It's designed for individuals looking for a comprehensive and detailed understanding of their genetics to make informed decisions about their well-being. CircleDNA offers a straightforward testing process. After ordering, you'll receive a kit with everything needed for a non-invasive saliva sample. Once your sample is collected and mailed back, results are accessible within a few weeks via CircleDNA's secure app or website. The standout feature of CircleDNA is its vast scope of over 500 reports across 20 categories, including disease risk, diet, exercise, stress management, sleep, and even ancestry insights. The health insights are particularly impressive, providing an in-depth analysis of genetic predispositions to conditions like cancer, cardiovascular issues, and metabolic disorders. While it's not a diagnostic tool, the information equips you with knowledge to take preventive steps or consult a healthcare professional. For lifestyle, CircleDNA analyzes your genetic compatibility with various diets, exercise regimens, and even sleep patterns, offering tailored advice to optimize your routine. Another unique aspect is its ancestry report, which provides a detailed breakdown of your heritage, allowing you to explore your roots and cultural background. Additionally, CircleDNA includes family planning insights, making it suitable for individuals or couples considering parenthood. Who is CircleDNA for? It's ideal for those who want an all-encompassing look at their genetics to improve health, enhance fitness, or simply gain a deeper understanding of their biology. It's especially valuable for proactive individuals who appreciate data-driven decisions for a healthier life. In summary, CircleDNA sets itself apart with its depth of analysis and user-friendly presentation. If you're ready to uncover actionable insights from your DNA, CircleDNA delivers an exceptional experience. Check the links in the description to explore more, or get started with your kit today.